Hello and welcome back. My name is Muskaan. Today I am going to read the book 10 Apples Up on Top. I love Dr. Seuss books. Today I am going to read one of Dr. Seuss' book. 10 Apples Up on Top. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look you, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 3, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see, now I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here. You too. See here. You too. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good. I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I'm so good. They will not drop. 5, 6, 7. Fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you look. We have 7 too. And now see here, 8 on top. 8 apples up. Not one will drop. 8 and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We all are very good. I think with 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then come on and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out, look out. I see a mop. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you one and all. Come on. Down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way. We cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. Oh. They will get them if we let them. Come, we can not let them get them. Look out! The mob! The mob! The mob! You can not stop our apples. Fun, our apples will not drop, not one. Come one, come all, we have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples, apples up on top. All of this must stop. Boom! Look, 10 apples on us all. What fun we will not let them fall. The end. I hope you like this book. I also love this book. But it's so important. Subscribe my channel too. Bye.